Hello, we're going to do a little demonstration on how this vehicle works for you. This is the 2019 Ford Transit with the side lift. So just like on your other ones, you're going to go start up the car. Make sure the vehicle is unlocked. And then we have our interlock system here, so we got to make sure that we hold a parking brake. Sure the lift is on, and we have our pendant remote here. We have our stow and deploy. You just press and hold on deploy until that comes out. As the lift comes down, obviously that platform is going to fold and connect. Press until it stops, and then we go down. Inside you have your set of retractors and then your seats back there. You do have an interior lighting system in here as well. Your lights up top, otherwise the cab lights will turn on when you open up the door. You do have a roadside kit and a tire change jack there, and then you have your tire change tools on the side I'll show you. And then to move these seats around, you lift this peg up and then pull the handle back, and that'll release those seats off of there, and then you can move them around. Otherwise it'll be just like your other vehicle. Here's where those rest of those tire change tools are underneath here. Thanks so much for your purchase, and enjoy.